Ah, shit. A little bit loud. There we go. Good morning, good morning. Hello, my children. Hello, chef. Good morning, good morning. It's time to rise and shine. How's everybody doing? Good morning, good morning. Welcome in. It is the Swag Show. What do you know? I'm your host. My name is Kyle. I go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30, showing you crazy stuff like trading the futures market. Keep tapping the screen. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, let's get into it. It is 10:30 on December 5th. Pearl Harbor. I don't know what day is December 5th. What it has some meaning. There's something behind December 5th. Maybe my grandpa's birthday. I don't know. Probably. Anyway, hey, we're here. We're rocking and rolling. We're comp trolling. Come hang out. Come say hi. What's happening? What's good in the neighborhood? What's good in the neighborhood? Jerry, Yo, Duke, SP, MG, Adele, Futuristic, Isel, Jury, Justin, User, Jason Rodriguez, Freedom, User 99 Exchange, L Jesse, Nuts, Kyle Lowe, David, Kebble, Hard Deep, Facepalm, Dwight, Beast Mode, Rook the Duck. Hello over on YouTube as well. Good morning, good morning. The Break Even Trader says, hey brother, good morning. Great morning. Woke up to Bitcoin being 103,000. There you go. On the futures market of Bitcoin or the actual Bitcoin. I sold all mine way too early, I guess. I didn't have like a whole Bitcoin. I wish I did, but I had like 1/1000th maybe of a Bitcoin at one point. But congratulations if you have money still in Bitcoin. Cash it out, make that money, and invest it in something else, you know? Like real estate or commercial real estate, or create a sand company that sells sand in a bottle off the beaches of Miami. No, that's my idea. You can't take that one. Indoor pickleball court facility complex. You know, I'm just giving you all types of good ideas here for free. NQ Visual Long here, green $100. NQ early was 2 for 2 for $200. Range ES or range NQ new down 200 at the moment. Open was 1 for 2 last night. I'm done for the day. Already made my money by the Magic Line manual alerts. And NQ open 2 for 2 for 200. So, yeah. All in the green. Diamond beats Julio Borgs, King Quay, Raf, Jacob Murphy, Brad Price, Mike Butler, Prime O'Arkey, DJ Slim McGraw, welcome in, Lima, Rick JB, Steve Walters, Salty Banana, Geo, Prado Man, Paul and Meg, hello. John Moravillo, Ed Chelenis, maybe. Hello, Chelenis. David William Ramir, Garrett Dwayne, JM Cuba, welcome in. Keep tapping a screen if you know what I mean. Help me help you help others. My name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. What do you know? Isa, good morning, hello. G. Scott, Nick, Jose. Let's see if I can't really move it up. It just looks too big. Now it's covering that. I don't know why this chart does that. It's weird. There, we'll try and do that. That's a little bit better, I guess. I don't know. YouTube, you can watch Santa on the left. NQ Visual Long on the right. I'm going to see if it can go up, and away today. Nick, Jose, Edgar, Rugged Guy, Travis Stanley, User Nuts, good morning. Welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you, Nuts, for the follow. Appreciate you being here. Gigi's Home, Pylon, Ne Young Kong, JM Cuba, Manny, Kareem Badawi, Alexis, Brian Lawson, IBM, I don't know, IBME, okay. Zayla Alvarez, Niku Mix, Kamoti Q, Miguel, welcome back. Jits, Dottie, Manon Krantz, hello. Jonathan Clark, The Liquor, welcome in. Good morning, guys. How are you? How's everybody doing on this fantastic 2 for Thursday? I can't do 3, otherwise it would be 3 for Thirsty Thursday, and I'd show you 3 algorithms at the same time, but I'm just not set up to handle that pressure right now, okay? 2's enough. You guys are going to have to deal with watching 2 algorithms, okay? Just deal with it. All right? Deal with it. Good thing I got out of that. Big Bang, ES, not in a trade. I closed everything down. I'm done trading already. I'm done trading, guys. I'm an hour into the morning. I'm already done. Where'd we leave off? Bumper, The Legend, The Shop, Joe Robinson, Janeo, Jimmy Ocean, Richie Rich, Big Fish Guy, OK Poe, Apple User, Rocky, hello. Good morning, Ricardo Morales. Come on in, guys. Sit back, relax, kick off your shoes. Sit down in your recliner chair. I don't care as long as you're in your underwear. We're all just having fun here. Brady DeClerk. Okay. Anyway, you're in here. Welcome in. The Real Javan. Pierre Richard something. Pierre Richard Alti. Richard Alti? Okay. James Clevenger. Verley, Terry P. Rich, Brad, Carly. Welcome in. Keep tapping the screen, guys. Help me, help you, help others. The more taps that I get, the more viewers that might be able to come in. There is a poll up in the upper left corner. If you're on your mobile device, it's kind of hidden. It's the little blue checkmark clipboard thing. Just tap on that. Answer the little poll question. Question of the day is, do you think NQ will close above 21,550? Yes or no? Where were we? Terry P. Rich, Brad, Carly, Jorge Gomez, Jose, Steve Thompson, Craig Talia Charles, Kelvin Ibarra, The Outsider, LJ Shriver. Oh, LJ Shriver? Okay, maybe. Anyway, we're in this bitch. We're trading the NQ right now on the futures market. What do you know? Come on in. ES dropping, NQ holding steady in this choppy mess of a zone. Be careful. Uptown. Brittany Herrera. Hola. Welcome, chica. Joe. Hello. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. Thank you for being here. Isa. Suman Subida. Subidi? I don't know. Anyway. What's the win rate? Great question. Each strategy is different, so you have to be a little more specific on what strategy you're talking about. We have some algorithms that run at about a 98% win rate for the past, 2-3 months. And then we have others that are at a 92% for the past 2 or 3 months. And then we have some that only win, 62% of the time, but they're profitable in the long run. So win rate percentage doesn't really matter as long as it's profitable, I guess. Month over month. Jeffrey, welcome in. Ryan, Darren, Frederico, Nate, Just Chill, Clay Art Plug, Jeff Brown, Shane McDonald, welcome back. Hello, my friend. Sergio, Michael, Ralph, Rabohoda. Anyway, these names are cracking me up today. It's good to say it out loud. Helps the speech impediment. Kind Leaf, Michi, Jassy, Colette, Gridiron Monk, welcome in. Ali Gahuzus, Polo, Matthew Ryleman. Good morning, good morning. I took my silver profits and I ran. I had it on my cash account on Micro and I cashed it out for like $80. And then I got it on my other accounts for like $300 or something. Braden Doyle, Sam Udaya Padul, welcome in. Yeah, this is good to learn how to speak other people's language and say their names properly. Yep, just taking my little bag and I'm going home. I'm done for the day. There's Dragon Dad Mike. Welcome in, sir. How are you? I hope you swagged today. Slow and steady wins the race. I'm up to $134 on the cash account. I'm done with that for the day. $100 a day is $2,000 a month. That's what I just got to keep telling myself. $100 a day is $2K a month. I just got to ingrain that into my brain. And when my cash account is anything over that, I'm done for the day. I'm just going to go slow and steady. Apex evals up 342. And Tradeify straight to funded up 300. And a take profit account 325. So I'm done for the day on everything. I shut off all the algorithms. Luckily I got it out before this NQ new got into it. I just didn't want to stress. I didn't want to come on stream stressing about the algorithms. I figured I made enough. I'm done. I'm green, not much though. What'd you lose on? NQ early was 2 for 2. That's $200 right there. NQ Open did take a loss last night, I guess. Or it was 1 for 2, so it might have been down a little bit from that. But then NQ early should have made it back. So you could have been done after that. But Punjab AM user Isa, welcome back in. Hello. What do you know? It's a swag show. We've got a choppy mess going on today. Long and short are already in a trade. They might just be in a range all day long most of the day today because of the report coming out tomorrow. I think there's some big report they were talking about coming out tomorrow. So today might be a range day, which means it's going to move sideways most of the day and stay within a range because of the big move up from the past couple of days. So be careful. It's only been moving within about a 40-point range all morning so far. So stay safe. If you know how to range trade, you should be okay, but I don't suggest it. Hold on, I'll be right back. I got right, I'm back. Where were we? MJ, YY, Yomi, D, Rene, Detroit fan, A Bert, Bobby Banditol, something, Trell, Christopher Guti, Cintron, Jan Carlos, the Jeweler, welcome in. What do you know? NQ open last night, I think, was 1 for 2. And then this morning, NQ early was 2 for 2, so that's $200. Right now, NQ new range is down 390, so I would stop myself out of that if I was in it. I don't think this market's going to go back down. But you never know. Don't listen to me. This is not trading advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only. But in my opinion, it's probably going to stay within this range from 21,538 to 21,500 all day long. It's just going to go sideways in that range. But that's just my opinion. You never know. Some people smarter than me might know. I don't. I'm just saying. Your Big Bang was 0 for 1. Oh, NQ Big Bang? I got you. I just now looked over and saw that. MM Thunder Cuts. These aren't even names. Lane's Way, Joseph Gutierrez. Z, welcome in. Hello, hello. What do you know? Dario, welcome back. Sideways Momentum. Tech Surplus, welcome in. Welcome back. Hello, how are you today? Danny, EHP. Jessica Brown, hello. What do you know? It is the Swag Show. You are watching BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algos. And keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. We need to get up, 5,000 likes before lunchtime, please. That's all I ask of you. Just keep tapping the screen. Trust me, your girlfriend or your wife will thank you for it later. Young Boy, Anmar Bugzi, Brady Clerk, Andre Webb, Ezel Alvarez. Welcome in. Not a whole lot of action going on, guys. I'm sorry. It's just a sideways day. Sometimes that's what the market does. And it's not exciting, but, it is what it is. Good morning. The lucky winner of the 1 month free subscription is in the house. Viral Vault. Give it up. She won last month the Thanksgiving turkey giveaway. I will be doing another giveaway this month for Christmas. We'll see how many gifts Santa is going to leave under the tree. I think Mrs. Claus said we can give away 2, so we'll see. 2 lucky winners. For Christmas. You never know. If you're not a member of the BoldBot family, you will be eligible to win. Good morning, Trusty. How are you today? Range NQ new now back to green. So, see, that's why you don't listen to me. Green, it was green $100. So if you're in that trade and you're green $100, there's nothing wrong with taking profit here. If you're watching NQ new, and you're green 100, nothing wrong with moving the stop loss and taking 80, 90, $100 worth of profit. It's green 110 right now, 115. So just be careful. It could push all the way down here and hit target. You never know. I'm just, I'm a baby. I'm a conservative baby when it comes to my trading. I have a hard time holding on to them long enough to make big profits, but I'll scalp the crap out of them. Let's see. Can I put it on here? No. Let's see. NQ range new. There we go. Uh-oh, where'd it go? I don't know what happened. What happened there? What did I do? Oh, it hit target. That's why. Look at that. See, that's why you don't listen to me, because it just hit target. NQ knew all those people that were freaking out. It just took profit, $350. There you go. That's why you don't listen to me. NQ knew 1-for-1, $350 on a one mini contract. So that's why you don't listen to me when you're scared and it's negative 300. You just got to trust in the algorithm, I guess. That's what you got to do. This market looks scary because it's inside of this range choppiness zone that it's been in all morning, but it did push down there finally enough to get the win. So what did you trade today? I saw your results. NQ early was 2 for 2, so that's $200. And then I took the magic line a couple of times on 2 manual trades, and that was it. And the top one is less because it's my cash account, so I don't trade minis on it anymore. I trade micros. So, and I did have to make up the loss from NQ Open last night, so I was in the negative to start the day, but I made it all back and then some. Green, around 300 every account except my cash account, which is fine. Like I said, $100 a day, and my cash account is $2,000 a month. So I'm going to be happy with that until it doubles in size, and then once my cash account doubles in size, I will try and go for 200 a day, and then repeat the process. Once it doubles from there, then I'll go for 300 a day. I didn't get the early open. You didn't get what? NQ early? That's because you shouldn't be running NQ early. Remember? We talked about that. You shouldn't be running NQ early because it risks too much for the reward on your Apex PA accounts, and they will flag that against you, and you won't get paid out. Just stick to the plan. The reason why I ran it is because I have evals with Apex right now. I don't have PAs. And I have Tradeify, which doesn't care about that, and Take Profit doesn't care about it, and my cash account doesn't care about it. So But Apex PAs do care about the risk to reward and all that crap. So that's why I like Tradeify and cash accounts. SC, welcome in. Two-Face, Incognito, Chigis, welcome in. NQ, visual long here and another long. Santa did not take it for some reason. I think it's because the volume might be too low. Who knows? Lots of factors why it doesn't take a trade. But what are we in? ES new range is in a trade, and visual longs in a trade. That's it. Big Bang ES is in a trade, I guess, as well. So sit back, relax, strap on your seatbelts. We got another hour and a half of the show. How do micros do using the bots in like a month? Keith, we have a micro strategy game plan that is set up to specifically just use micros on 3 out of the 4 strategies that we tell you, and it's projected to win around $4,000 a month just using micros. So and that's per account. Is Tradeify compatible with NinjaTrader? Yes. I'll put it up here. Tradeify. Yes. If you go to my link tree in my profile and click on the Tradeify link, it'll take you right to their website. They do have a sale. It's not as good as they had it, but it is 35% off a straight to funded account. Black Friday sale was the best sale. It was 45% off straight to funded. Apex does have a 90% off sale going on right now for the evals. So if you want to take advantage of those. That might be over with now. I got to look that up. I think that might be over. But you can use the code SWAGSHOW and get the best discount deal that they have going on at the time. So Brady DeClark, Brady, I don't know. 5-spoke pastime posted. U Vrono M Walrus Andrew. You think it's gone? Trusty, you think Apex is done? Yeah, that might be. Dina, yes, straight to funded meeting, no eval. Your no eval, it's a little more expensive, but it's worth it, in my opinion. Correct. Straight to funded means no eval. You have a funded account, you have to make, on 150K, you have to make 9,000 before you can withdraw. But it's an end of the day drawdown, which is amazing compared to the ones that have intraday trailing drawdown like Apex, which that's why people bust. So Laced Dabs, welcome in. Prab, welcome back. Dan Barrito. Tradeify. It's in my link tree. Tradeify. They have a 20% consistency rule, but it's over the 10 days. It's not like what you're thinking with Apex. As long as you're consistent over 10 days within 20% of your profit, at the end of the day, that's how they do theirs. It's a lot better than what you're thinking. Any others do that? Straight to funded? Not that I'm aware of, no. That's why I like them, and they take care of their customers. When they had a data disconnection a couple weeks ago, they fixed everybody's accounts within hours. They reset them due to that data disconnection on Tradeify, on Trade of 8 accounts. So, yeah, if you have Tradeify and you use Trade of 8 through Tradeify and you had a disconnection and error and you lost that day, they reset your account within hours. That's why I love them. And it's straight to funded, end of the day drawdown. Everything about them I love so far. Now, when it comes time to pay out, you have to set up, I think, a Rise. Is that what it's called? Something like that. Yeah, Rise account. And then they pay you out that way, but it's real easy to do. Johnny Mill says Tick Trader just started straight to funding. Never heard of them, though. Have they been around for a while, or are they new? Because I don't trust any new prop firm companies if they haven't been around for over a year. That's just me. Too many people got burned on Fast Track. So I'm only promoting people or prop firms that have been around a long time. They have been around a while? Okay. I'll have to look into them then. I'm sure it'll start showing up in my on my feeds now. It's crazy how everything is being listened to by your phone. Mr. Panda, Luna user, Kevin Porter, welcome in. The likes are slacking today, guys. Come on, keep tapping that screen. We're not even to 1,000 likes yet, and we're been live for half an hour. You guys are slacking. Go vote on the poll as well. I do have a fun little poll up. It asks a question. Do you think that the NQ will close today above 21,550? Upi on YouTube says, does this bot optimization daily or manual input of levels? It just follows what's built into the strategy, into the settings. It's not an AI bot that's learning on the fly. It has specific settings that it looks for to take trades and follows those rules. So, what about Take Profit Trader? I have them. I have one of their accounts, but you do have to pass an eval before it becomes, a live account. So I don't think they offer straight to funded. But yeah, right now I think it's $100 for a 50K account with Take Profit, and then you get your money back after you withdraw your first withdrawal. They give you that $100 back, and there is no activation fee once you pass the evaluation if you use code no fee 40 or something. So it depends on which ones you get, Zahopi. Some of them are already like coded into the algorithm, and others you have to input manually from a spreadsheet. Depends on if you get the premium algorithms or the standard. Some of the standards are hardlined in, and some of the premiums are hardlined in, and some of them you have to input on both. So a little bit of both. Yes, we have algorithms for NQ, ES, RTY, YM, silver, gold, oil, natural gas. I think those are all the instruments or indices or products on the futures market that we have algorithms for right now, or strategies for. We have right now like 9 algorithms with about 40 different strategies inside those algorithms. Almost to 1,000 likes. Come on, guys, tap that screen. The only thing I'm asking from you guys is to tap the screen. Trust me, your girlfriends or your wives will thank you for it later. TickTick only has the larger accounts straight to funded, so they're priced pretty high. Andrew, I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. Yes, it is Swag Show. That's the code for Apex. What's the price on them, Johnny? Because I know Tradeify are pretty high too. Right now, I think it's like $450, $480 for 150K straight to funded. But leaning more towards cash accounts. Cash is king. I'm going to do no less than 10K. Yeah, cash is always going to be the easiest. If you have cash account, you could start with around, 3,000 and be okay. You just got to have money for the membership to the algorithms. But like I said, we do have a MicroStrategy game plan that's projected to win around $4,000 a month just off the standard algorithms alone. So does the values and changes, meaning do we have to update Excel's values periodically? Yeah, so if Lauren, the CEO, updates the spreadsheet, she will let you know if there are any tweaks to any of the algorithms, and then you just go in there and you edit the settings, correct. And some days she'll change the days that are best to run them, or if she notices that it's not doing well on a certain day, she'll tell you not to run it on that day. Things like that. But yeah, we're 100% hands-on, white glove service, totally transparent on everything. We want to see everybody make money and succeed. So you could probably easily make 5,000 to 6,000 a month, and that's being conservative. Kevin, you're welcome. Thank you for the questions. Make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below on YouTube. If you're on TikTok, keep smashing that screen. Just tap, 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 tap. That's all I'm asking. We're dancing. We're partying. NQ new green 1 for 1 for $350. NQ early green 2 for 2 for $200. So that's $550 right there just off of 2 algorithms today that you could have made and paid for the first month of the algorithm, which is $500 for the first month, $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. With how many accounts? 5,000 to 6,000? No, he's saying if he had a $10,000 cash account, you could make 5,000 to 6,000 a month with the premium MicroStrategy game plan algorithms. "100% hands-on. I'm here full-time now. Me and Irma, we help you out right from the get-go. Irma will check your settings on your charts and your strategies, and then you'll have a Zoom with me to kind of go over what your game plan should be based on your account size, your risk size, what you want to accomplish, how many accounts you have. I'll go over the MicroStrategy game plan with you, make sure you understand everything. But okay, but with props, how many accounts? No, so the MicroStrategy game plan, like I said, is projected to win around $4,000 a month per account. If you bump it up to premium, you could probably go to 5,000 or 6,000 a month. So I think he might have done that on a 50K PA, Kevin, honestly. But like I said, the MicroStrategy game plan is projected to win. It doesn't mean it's always going to win, but it's projected to win based on backtesting results for the past 3-4 months. It's projected to win around $4,000 a month. using like 4 or 5 algorithms. So yeah, for sure, Kevin. 100%. I'm right there with you. What's a good buffer to have on your accounts? Before you take a withdrawal, if that's what you're asking, on a $50,000 account, I would want at least $6,000 of profit before I took a withdrawal out of it, and I would only take like $1,000 at the most out of it. On a 150,000 account, you have to have, at least with Tradeify, $9,000 worth of profit in there. But the good thing with them is you only need to make $250 a day, 5 days out of the 10 days, and then you can make $100 the other 5 days, and then you could withdraw $2,000 every 10 days out of that account. So that's what I recommend for a buffer. At least 6,000 in a 50K account, and on 150K, it depends, I guess, on who you're with and what their rules and regulations are. But like Kevin said, some of these prop firms changing all the rules, making it almost impossible, it seems like, to take a withdrawal. So you just got to do your homework, do your due diligence to follow the rules and make sure that you're not breaking anything so you can get that payout. So I mean, just think about it, though. If you got 7 of those Tradeify 150K straight to funded accounts, okay, and you make your $9,000 in each one, then all you have to do is make basically $300 a day on all of them, 5 days out of the 10 days of the trading period. And then you could withdraw $3,000 every 10 days out of each one. So that's $21,000 every 10 days just from making $300 a day on your 150K Tradeify account. That's how the prop firm math works. The hard part is you have to be disciplined enough to make that $9,000, and then after that, you just make $300 a day from there on out. Every day. And then every 10 days, you can withdraw like $3,000 out of each account. So, what's going on over here on the YouTube? Is it frozen? I don't know. Let's refresh. My stream crash over there. All right, excellent connection. There we go. All right, we're back in business, I think. I hope. Yeah. All right, now we're back over on YouTube. Sorry about that. It looked like it might have crashed. Big NQ visual long is what you're watching on TikTok. That's the only thing in a trade right now, besides ES New and ES Big Bang, which I shut off, which, it's whatever. I made my goal. I'm not going to get greedy or give profit back. Excuse me. So once I make my goal, I shut everything down. So they will hold our 9K. Will they ever get that 9K? Yes, it's a buffer. And they will give that to you in a live account once you move over to a live account. Because I think with Tradeify, what they're trying to do is the first 4 payouts, they will give you payouts off of that account. And then they will move you like to a live account. So all the buffer that you have built up in all those accounts, they'll transfer it over to one live account, and then that all combines. So if you had $10,000 in 7 accounts, you now have a $70,000 cash live account. And if you wanted to cash it all out, you could. It's not hard if you stick to the same amount each day. Once you build up that buffer, and it'll even out over the next 10 days if you just stick with $300 a day. Because I thought the consistency is every 10 days, right? Or am I wrong on that, Shane? Because I don't even know what mine's at. Mine's probably way out of whack on my consistency. But I'm not worried about it right now until I get over the $9,000 mark, and then I'll just level it out and make the same amount every day in there from there on out. It's not that tough. Listen, Kevin, it's not as tough as you're trying to make it seem. As long as you stay within the same amount each day, if you make $500 a day and just stay right around there, you're never going to worry about the 20% when it comes time to pay out. Every 10 days on Tradeify, though, you can withdraw after you make the 9,000 on a 150K account. Made 5K the first 2 days last week, and it's 10 days from withdrawal to withdrawal, but I was building a pad. Yeah, so see, it's every 10 days is the consistency rule. So you could build up as quick as you want to that 9,000, and then you just got to level out and have about the same amount every day after that. My goal is going to be $300 a day. Every day. You know why? Because after 10 days, that's $3,000, and I can just withdraw all of it every 10 days out of each account. Elon Musk. Hey, are you the real Elon? Welcome in. Thank you for being here. Love your work. You're a genius. There you go. See, you just got to stay consistent every 10 days. Don't worry about the 20% rule. Trust me. Once you get up above that buffer threshold where you can withdraw, that's when you worry about it, and then you just make the same amount every day. And if you run the same algorithms every day, then you don't have to worry about it, because they're going to make the same amount of money every day or lose the same amount. You know what I mean? Like NQ early is like $100 a win. NQ later is like 500 every win, and NQ new is 350. So if you just ran those, and you'd be within the 20%, whether or not all of them win or all of them lost, or one of them won or two of them won. You know what I mean? You're just overthinking it. And you could stop trading when you're done. You know what I mean? You don't have to. Once you reach your goal for the day, you can stop everything and shut it down. Just be happy with your 300, and realize that 200 a day is like 4,000 a month. So if you're trying to withdraw every 10 days, 200 times 10 is 2,000. You just withdraw that 2,000. Do not fight me. I don't know how to say that. Cap Willis, Mr. Livano, Ada Iris Montero, welcome in. Jim Francis, Zap Dropping, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Yeah. Or vice versa. Kevin, honestly. Why would you risk more on your actual cash account? You want to stay consistent with that. I mean, you can go above. There is no consistency rule. So if one of the algorithms takes a big run, if you're running like Premium One or Santa one day, you don't have to worry about shutting it off or taking profit at a certain point. Kind of like right now on NQ Visual Long, you see it moving up. It's green $450. So if you had this on your cash account, you could let it run, but on your Tradeify accounts, you would have to probably shut it off or close the trade so you don't hit, over your consistency rule. But yeah, yes and no, I guess. I agree with you in part of the way. I understand what you're saying. But you don't want to risk more. You just want to be able to capture more profit. So we're kind of speaking the same language and saying the same things. Just I wouldn't phrase it like go hard on the cash account. I would say be able to take more profit on the cash account and let it run up farther. But don't risk anything. Don't risk anymore. So that's all. But yeah, we're saying the same thing. And you wouldn't even really have to necessarily run a mini. We could go over the game plan with you, and the micros, like I said, they could still make a lot more money than you think running micros in the long run. But we'll help you. We're here for that. Water break. It is 11/21, December 5th. Yeah, I forgot about that feature too. Yeah. You can go into your TradeAvate account and set the daily profit loss and goals. So if you just wanted to make 500 a day on your or whatever on your TradeAvate accounts or 300, you just set it so once you hit that, it just stops you from trading anymore. I did that on my cash account. It's just sometimes it's too easy to change your loss limit. But I need to realize that the $100 a day is $2,000 a month. So that's what I'm aiming for on my cash account. And I know you guys might not think that's a lot of money, but on a cash account, just to have that extra $2,000 a month, I mean, go ask your boss for a $2,000 a month raise. See what he says. Right. On the Tradeify account, well, on any of the prop firms, you have to, whether you're passing an eval or the straight to funded, but on Tradeify, you have to have that buffer built up first before you can take a withdrawal. Yeah. So on 150K, you need to have $9,000 built up in it before you can withdraw out of it. But I'm going to build up 9,000 in each one of them, and then I'm going to do 10 more days at like $300 a day. That way I can request the full like 3,000 at the end of the 10 days. So Sweeber, Sir Ding, I don't know. Ding Annan, I don't know. Swerber. Gosh, you guys in these funny names. Slow 5.7 Pat, welcome Ricardo Caesars. Yeah, hello. What do you know? It is a swag show. My name is Kyle. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. Keep tapping that screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, until your fingers turn green. Help me help you, help others. And welcome to December. Thank you for being here. Santa did not capture this trade, which is crazy. Approximately how long will it take for new guys to build that buffer with regular algos? 2.5 months. About 2.5 months. Like I said, the standard MicroStrategy game plan is projected to win around $4,000 a month per account. So, with a 150K account though, you could probably size up a little bit. Some are going to be on, some strategies will be on micros, some will be on minis, Trusty. But with 150K end of the day drawdown, you're going to be able to size up a little bit more. So you might be making closer to $5,000 a month. And I'll help you with that. Because that's the good thing about Tradeify is the end of the day drawdown. They do have a soft stop where you can't go below 3,500 in one day, or they'll stop you for the day, but you don't blow the account. So that's the other reason why I like them so much. Tito Ken, welcome in. Hello, thank you for being here. $550 on this NQ visual long trade. It's finally up out of the nasty zone. We'll see if it gets to that 21,550. It spiked it already earlier this morning, but we shall see. How do you get started? Cool clips. Just email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. The email right there on your screen. You'll get a welcome email or an informational email telling you the next steps. Lil C, hello, what do you know? Welcome in. Who do you think is going to win the football game tonight? The Green Bay Packers or the Detroit Lions? That's what I should have made the poll. Has anybody even voted on the poll yet? Do you even see the poll? Do you guys even care about the poll? Just trying to make the stream fun. All right, well, let me see if I can vote on it myself here. I'm going to touch the little blue check mark. Nobody has voted. Nobody has voted. Okay, that's fine. No more fun little polls on TikTok. I guess you guys can't see it. It's hidden in the upper left corner of your screen. It's the little blue check mark clipboard icon with the counter. It's counting down to 41 minutes. Does regular algos have hard stop or trailing stop? Both. Most of them on the standard algorithms, except for Santa, have a hard stop loss and take profit. Santa has a trailing stop loss. Silver Oracle actually has kind of a trail stop as well. It just doesn't move quite as much as, visually, but yeah. The one you're watching right now, NQ Visual Long, it has a moving trail of stop that you can see, but it's a premium algorithm, so. Graham Cracker, welcome in. Josh, Pilot Dog, Scott Crosby, good morning. How are you? Welcome into the Swag Show. What do you know? Thank you for being here. Ghostly Dabs, hello. What do you know? So I hope that answered your question, Trusty. Pip da Beast, welcome in. Can't get greedy. Greed will kill your accounts, and I've learned that the hard way. Trust me. Take it from me. I've blown so many accounts being greedy. Almost blew the cash account doing it. I actually almost blew the cash account by not stopping when I took 2 or 3 losses. You can't always make it back, guys. You got to walk away, clear your mind, focus, reset, pick another day, and just be happy with the loss. You know, you never really want to be happy with the loss, but be happy you didn't lose more, I guess. Do you get all of the bots when you lease them every month from Lauren? It depends on if you're talking about the standard or the premium. If you do the premium package, yes, you get access to all the algorithms. If you do the standard, you only get the standard. So the standard right now is $500 for the first month, then $1,000 a month after that, and the premium are $1,500 a month. Santa finally in a trade here. It's in a short. Got in a short up here at 21,529 on Santa. What's the win rate? Once again, that depends on what strategy you're talking about. Everyone is different. Some of them are as high as 95, 98%, 92%. Others are 60%. But in the long run, they're profitable over the month, month to month. So I guess it doesn't really matter in some cases what the win rate percentage is, as long as it's profitable at the end of the month based on if you ran it the days you were supposed to run it, so on and so forth. But like NQ early has probably been, 100% for the past 2 weeks. I don't think it's taken a loss, knock on wood, in 2 weeks. So One Trick Pony, welcome back. How are you, my friend? Shahid, Cody, Ron, Marcus Molina, Kai. Welcome to the Swagonators. Mount up. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate you being here. So Santa took a loss there. He was looking for the reversal for the market to short. It did not work out in his favor as NQ Visual Long continues to move up here. You got a half an hour to get me like 4,000 likes. Come on, guys. Keep tapping that screen. If you know what I mean, Jelly Bean, help me help you help others. The more people that see the stream, the greater opportunity we have to get more BoldBot family members and help make them a little bit of extra money for the holidays. I'm going to double and triple check, make sure everything is shut down on my end here. Okay. I'm happy with my wins. I'm not going to risk any profit once I make my win for the day. I'm just going to shut everything down, and that's okay. You don't have to let them run all day. If you have a certain amount in mind that you want to make each day and you make it, there's no reason to keep trading. Close the algorithms, shut them off, disable them, and walk away and just go enjoy the rest of your day. You get the same result on your screen with trading? What do you mean? You get the same result on your screen with trading. Johan, I don't really understand the question. Please rephrase in a different way so I understand what you're saying. This is over on YouTube. Spoke, welcome in, Mike. Mr. H Trades Will, the man himself, the man, the myth, the legend, must be done at the gym already. He was probably done an hour ago trading, so then he probably went to the gym. Now he's eating some healthy snack or protein-filled delicious meal to build those muscles. Welcome in. If you haven't followed Mr. H Trades, who's right there in chat, guys, please go follow him. He goes live as well, Monday through Friday, 2 to 4, to give you more live trading with the bots. So, Milwaukee, H, Caesar, Quantum, Cass, Brian, Joshua Davis, AK, welcome in. Angela, hello, how are you? $600 on this NQ Visual Long. It is 11:34 a.m. December 5th. Thank you guys for being here, watching the Swag Show. Not too much humor or funny stuff going on. I don't know. Nothing struck me yet today. You know, I haven't come into character on anything else other than just watching the algorithms work. Very green day for me. I hope for you guys as well. We had NQ early, 2 for 2 for $200. NQ range new, 1 for 1 for $350. NQ open last night was 1 for 2, so that was a loss of $50. But yeah, other than that, we're hanging in there. Kyle has joined. Hello, Kyle. Meet Kyle. Oscar Quesadilla, welcome in. CEO J Strong. Armando, welcome in. Cheeto, hello, hello. I hope everybody's having a fantastic Thursday. I've got some Zoom calls I got to do after the stream, so. This is the same result on my computer. I don't know. Is it? I hope so. This is live, so. Oh, I said quesadilla. I'm sorry, Oscar. It's quesada. Sometimes when I'm trying to read a bunch of names real fast, my brain doesn't quite work, so I apologize. I didn't mean to insult you by calling you quesadilla. But Johan, he says, this is the same result on my computer, question mark. I don't know. It might be if you're in the trade at the same time as the algorithm, or you take the trade with it. You know, this is not trading advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only. But if you decide to follow the trades that the algorithm takes, you know, more power to you. But this is not trading advice. So good luck to you. Bobby Bush, Oliver Twist, welcome in. Brian Roberts, Tony, not Tony Montana. He might, you know, he might make an appearance later, though. You know what I'm saying? Some days, you know, Tony, he'll sleep in. He don't like to come out and play, especially when it's colder. He used to the Miami weather down there with his friend Shane. You know, he's smoking the cigars. He drink the coffee. He go look for the chicas. But, you know, it's okay. Jay Over, welcome. Hello, hello. Lost in Love, welcome. Dan, the man, Odin McIntyre. Cass, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Jonathan Fernandez. See, guys, we've been in this trade for over an hour. Like, sometimes when the market just kind of moves in a range pattern, like I told you, I'm guessing it might most of the day. It's just, you know, you got to watch it and be happy with whatever it gives you. It really hasn't moved up above this range that it's been in all morning. So, Abdul Hendricks, good morning to you. Hello. What do you know? Thank you for being here. Make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below on the YouTube, on TikTok. Keep tapping that screen. If you know what I mean, jelly bean, till your fingers turn green. Help me help you, help others. It's all about the season of giving. I am going to be doing a giveaway. I'll mention that. Don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. Listen real quick. I think we're going to do 2 people are going to win 1 free month of the standard giveaway for Christmas. That's right. 2 lucky winners this month are going to get 1 free month of the standard algorithms. But you have to follow me on TikTok, X, and YouTube, and leave a comment on one of my videos at least. And then I'll start taking and making a list for the giveaway the week before Christmas. I almost said Thanksgiving. So on like the 16th or whatever that Monday is, 2 lucky winners this month are going to get 1 free month of the standard algorithms for Christmas. So next year, we can spread that holiday cheer and you can start trading with us in the rear. I don't know. That just it rhymed in a way, but didn't make sense. I know. Don't worry about it. Forget about it. So yeah, I will start taking names for the list on the Monday of like the 16th, I think. Is that the right day? I don't know. Let me check my calendar. Let me check my Palm Pilot. Yeah, Monday the 16th. I will start taking names for the list for the giveaway, but you have to follow me on TikTok, on X, and YouTube, and you have to leave a comment, and you cannot already be a member of the BoldBot family. This is for new members only. 2 lucky winners this month for the standard algorithms. So spread the word, spread the cheer. I'll be doing posts on TikTok and X letting you know about it, how to get signed up when the time comes. But this is just the beginning. This is the start of December, so, let's not get into a rush. Governance awareness. Okay, hello. Sophia Dorcas, welcome back. Alfonso Cool Clips, welcome back in. Hello, what do you know? Nothing in a trade except visual short now is actually in a trade. Santa got stopped out on his short, but this would have been valid. Just got stopped out a little bit too early. Let's see. Put visual short on here. Santa not in a trade right now, but he could have been. The short was valid. He just barely got stopped out, so. Good morning, good afternoon to all of you out there in TikTok and YouTube land. Thank you for being here. $330 on this NQ Visual Short, as it did catch and it got in at 21,541. No, 21,531. Santa got in at 21,529 and got stopped out, but it's okay. Got to take what it gives you, right? It's all gravy, baby. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he joined. Welcome in. We'll see if it drops all the way back down here to 21,500-ish level. You never know. Like I said, it could stay in this range sideways all day. TFX, welcome in. Alexander V, hello. What do you know? I'm hungry for show. I'm hungry for show. What do I got to eat? Not a lot. That's going to be great for my lunch. Not a lot to eat. Fiddle Britches. Hello, welcome in. Alex, come here. Messiah, Alec, Kenya, Meeks, welcome in. Keep tapping the screen if you know what I mean, Jelly Bean. Thank you very much. Bino Rides. I think that's how you say it. Anyway, he's in here. Welcome in. What do you know? It's the Swag Show. If this is your first time watching, my name is Kyle. I'm your host. I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. $500 for the first month. $1,000 a month after that for the standard algorithms. Also, we have premium algorithms, $1,500 a month. If you want to learn how to manually trade, we have a digital mentorship. And we have premium and standard manual alerts. So email us if you want more information about any of that stuff. Thank you for being here. Now, back to our regularly scheduled program. CZ, Struce, Oklahoma Slots, Sean Wilson, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Rocket Doge, I don't know what that means. Anyway, it's probably a meme coin. Only thing I have is Shiba left. Once Shiba reaches a penny, you guys let me know, okay? Then I'm going to retire. Empire Concrete, Brandon, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Lost in the Sauce has joined. Welcome in. I love the names. You people are very creative. Michael McCarthy, Fiker, Blue Bulls Trading. Hello, hello. What do you know? Yep, you hear that? That was my stomach growling. He's hungry, saying, "Feed me, Seymour." You only get water. Quiet down. We're on a diet. I don't know what kind of diet, but it ain't working. I'll tell you that. It's probably because I can't get up and exercise. I just can't find the motivation until I look at my belly, and then I do like 20 sit-ups and push-ups, and I'm done. That's it. Grubbo, Joseph Bell, Michael Jinks, welcome in. Hello. How long you been trading? Like today or in my life? Only 2 years. Really only about 2 years in the futures market. I have already NinjaTrader and Apex. Will you install the software? Yes. We help you set up everything. We give you an email back once you sign up, Johan, that gives you instructional videos with step-by-step instructions on how to get everything going. And then we have Irma, who will provide you with white glove service and double-check all your strategies and settings and try and help you if you're having issues. But it's pretty self-explanatory. Investing y'all Josh. Okay. Welcome. James Coggins. Hello, hello. But yeah, Brandon, so I've only been trading the futures market for about 2 years now. Before that, I messed around with like my Fidelity account and had a margin account and was just doing like stocks and penny stocks, but nothing serious. I didn't know what I was doing. I was just hoping and praying, you know what I mean? Kind of like what I did with Shiba Coin. Just hoping and praying that one day maybe it'll reach a penny. Wouldn't that be nice? But now I just strictly try and focus on making, $100 a day on my cash account. Anything more than that is great. $100 a day is $2,000 a month. Plus all my prop firm accounts. So we'll slowly and surely build it up together. 2025, next year. I'm already skipping a year somehow. Slow and steady is the name of the game. I figure by the end of February, I'll be at a happy place where everything will start taking regular withdrawals. So, 2 more months, 3 more months, somewhere around there. Probably less, probably end of January, honestly. I'm just going slow and steady, man. Slow and steady win the race, you know what I'm saying? Brianna, welcome in, Brianna. Mobile Inspiration, Mars Rocks, Anna Benitez, Joe Coom, Rick Moss, Melina, Hello. What's happening? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you guys are at today. You're just watching some trading on the futures market, you know. Could you review NVIDIA? I'm sorry, I don't do that on this channel, but I appreciate you. We only trade the futures market. But good luck to you if you are a stock trader and you're wanting to know what's going on with NVIDIA. Mark Moreno, Yoel, Miguel, welcome back. I think maybe I need to make a video on how to get Replicanto going for people. Is there another giveaway? Yeah, for Christmas. For non-members only. Drew, welcome in. There will be another giveaway for Christmas. Right now, probably 2 people will win 1 free month of the standard algorithms. I probably need to make a video at some point on how to do Replicanto, though, and get it set up and going. A lot of people are having issues with that. Not understanding, I guess, how to get it set up and going. So we'll see. Oh, what's for lunch? I don't even know. Maybe banana and peanut butter smoothie with some honey. Something like that. Banana, peanut butter, honey, and yogurt smoothie. That sound good? That's probably what I'm going to have for lunch. Wendy G, welcome in. NQ Visual Short and a short. Longs and a long. So it is 11:51, a little bit later than normal. How much am I up this morning? $134 on my cash account and right around $330 on all my Tradeify, Apex, and Take Profit accounts. And I'm done for the day. So done. I've been done for an hour though, so almost an hour and a half now. Appreciator, Nicholas Daniel Flocini, that guy Bastion, T. Smith, welcome in. Hello. It's a little cold still. I don't think my heater knows that I'm home. That's the one weird thing about a smart thermometer. You got to walk in front of it for it to recognize that anybody's home. Or I could just go on my phone and tell it to turn back on, but it's getting a little chilly in here. It's a brisk 23 degrees outside. Nicholas, welcome to the Swaginators. Mount up. Thank you for joining. Welcome to the Swag Nation Army. I appreciate the follow. I appreciate you being here. John Combat. Hello, hello. So NQ early, 2 for 2 for $200. NQ new range, green 1 for 1, $350. Range ES new took a win. No, I don't know what it did. I don't know. It's red right now. And then visual short and visual long are both in the trades, and that's it. Big Bang ES is down 275. Gridlock's down. Big Bang's down. Silver was green. You like visual? NQ visual? Yeah, that's a good one. It's a good one. You could scalp a couple $100 a day off of it, that's for sure. When it gets in a trade and it gets green, you know, this $200, you can move the stop loss and take $100 profit at a time. And then hopefully it goes on a big run for you. But You don't have to let it. You don't have to wait to let it move the stop loss. Is what I'm trying to say. If your goal on a cash account or whatever is 200 or 300 a day, take it $100 at a time. You know. But the market is not really moving at all. Like if you look at the 15-minute time chart, it's like I said, it's been in this range of 40 points all day long, from basically from 21,500 up to 21,535 ish. It's just been stuck in that range all morning long. So that's, 2.5 hours. So you just got to be careful.
You got to be a little careful. You got to be careful.
Any questions, comments? I'm short as well. Glad you are too. All right. There you go, Alex G. We'll see how short we can go. It probably reached the top of that range there at 21,529. If that's where you got short, that's kind of where the bot got short. And we'll probably go all the way back down to 21,505-ish. Once again, staying in the range that it's been in all morning long. So if you could play the range, you sell the top of it and you buy the bottom of it. And just keep your risk management within reason, where if it finally does break the range, you're not losing too much. You had a bad entry, but I have faith. All right, well, it could possibly, like I said, move on all the way back down to that 21,505-ish level area. You never know. So I hope you can take some profit out of it, or at least get back to even if you're not already in the profit right now. Digital Sassis, welcome. Adam G, Mike Stars, Rico. I mean, it's just so dead. Like the volume and everything is so low. And it's just being sideways, slouchy, sloppy mess. But there looks like a lot of red on the volume indicator at this level. So it could continue to drop here. Like I said, all the way probably down to 505. Ish, 21,505 ish. So don't quote me. I ain't said ish. Get it? Don't quote me, boy, because I ain't said ish. Lord Humps, my Humpty dance is the chance. Do the hump. Technician, welcome in. WW, I don't know. ABC123, welcome in. Pastime, hello. What do you know? Wealth Building Rockstar, welcome in. Affiliate Dad, hello, hello. Thank you guys for being here. Michael Koshowski, welcome in. Abdeel, welcome in. Vic, hello, hello. What do you know? I don't think it still does. Pastime, I think it's over. Just check the VIX. It's at 13. Yeah, that is not good. Not a lot of VIX there. Very low on the VIX indicator radar. Should I hop in short right now? I cannot tell you that. You do what you feel best. I do not give financial advice. With the volume being as low as it is right now, I wouldn't be trading at all, honestly. I would be safe rather than sorry. It's just dead in this range that it's been stuck in all morning still, so be careful. And there's a lot of support where it's at to go back up, so I would say no, I wouldn't go short, but that's why I'm saying right now I would not do anything. Puzzle time. Imagine that. It's 1 minute before noon and they throw me a puzzle. There we go. All right. 9 minutes left in the poll. If you haven't voted, go vote. Is the market going to end the day at above 21,550 or not? We shall see. From the last few days, it's been ripping in the afternoon. Yeah, I mean, there's been some big moves. You know, it's moved quite a bit over the past few days this week, so it was only normal for it to consolidate today for most of the day. It's just normal market pattern. Once you watch it long enough, you understand that it has to consolidate to figure out what the next move is going to be, if it's going to move back down or if it's going to continue up. So I don't know if this afternoon is going to make that big a difference. I think there's a big report tomorrow that they're waiting on to see which direction they want to go with it. So today, like I said, might stay within this range for most of the day, which it has. It's been in this 40-point range all morning long for the past, 2.5 hours. So lots of consolidation after big moves up is normal. You just have to know when it's coming so you don't get chopped up and caught in it. Kirsten Stonk, Brock, Break, welcome. Boog, Jay Higg, welcome in. Jeremiah Cheney, Rebel the Terror, welcome in. Origin, Luis Miguel, welcome in. $12 noon on December 5th. Thank you guys for tuning in, being here. Mark it on your calendars, though. On the 16th, that Monday, I will start the sign-ups for the giveaway. 2 lucky winners are going to win 1 free month of the standard algorithms. But you have to follow me on X, TikTok, and YouTube, and leave a comment. Are you doing live daily? Yep, Monday through Friday. 10:30 to 12:30 is when I go live. Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Standard Time is when the swag show happens. That's when I go live each and every week. Showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, which is a fully automated trading algorithm for the futures market. Sometimes I will give away a manual trade that I do and show that as well. But not today. The market's not what I want it to be doing. It's just consolidating today after all week of running it up. So not a lot of volume, not a lot of movement, staying within this 40-point range so far all day long. I don't like it. I'm done trading for the day. I won on the algorithms. So yeah, I shut everything down. I've been done for 2 hours, essentially. But I do show you still on the live what the algorithms are doing, even if I'm not on a live account trading it. So, Jaws, Hugo, welcome in. Hello. I'm getting hungrier by the minute. Barry Camp, welcome in. I hope everybody has a safe rest of your Thursday, though. If you're trading still, I hope you're done and made your profit. No FOMO, no greed. Stop when you're at your goal. That's what swag's all about. And just remember, $100 a day is $2,000 a month. So nothing wrong with just making $100 a day, guys. It's an extra $2,000 a month. Pillsbury, we have a Pillsbury factory here that's been sitting empty for 50 years, probably longer. It was one of the original Pillsbury factories or mills. And it's abandoned and empty now, and they're thinking about tearing it down, but it's got so much asbestos that it's going to cost millions. Ray B, welcome in. Hello. Ron, Andrew, Alexander V, Barry Camp, Hugo, welcome in. NQ Visual Short is not going to be happy when this rips through this 150 or 21,540 level. We'll see if this is the top of it, top of the range here. Excuse me. What stock you watching? This is the NQ on the futures market, right? DNA is about to take over. I don't know what that means, but okay. All these crypto people come in here and give their advice on these meme coins or crypto coins. It's funny. I hope they all become millionaires. I honestly do. Fanny Pedals, welcome back. Dylan, hello, hello. But if this is your first time tuning in, my name is Kyle. This is The Swag Show. What do you know? I do go live Monday through Friday, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time, showing you live futures market trading using BoldBot, a fully automated trading algorithm on the futures market. And if you want more information, please email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. No stocks, no cryptos, no Forex, no options, just the futures market. It's 12:06. We'll see if this is the top of that range right there at the 21,540 level, and if it continues to go back down here, or if it's finally finding the momentum to break out of the range and continue up. One minute and 20 seconds left in the poll. If you haven't voted, go vote. Click on the little blue checkmark clipboard in the upper left of your mobile device with the counter counting down, and vote if you think the market's going to end the day above 21,550. Right now on YouTube, we got 62% say yes. We got 1 minute left, and I am going to end the poll, and then we're going to see what the rest of the last 20 minutes of the show go like. To Nessie, welcome in. Thank you for being here. Doug, hello. What do you know? NQ day waves in a trade. Visual long and short, both in trades here. And range ES news in a trade. Other than that, nothing else in a trade. Excuse me. CJ, welcome in. User. Hello. Are you on a PA account or eval or sim? I have all of those, all of the above. I have a cash account. I have PA accounts. I have straight to funded accounts with Tradeify, and I have take profit evals. And then I run everything live though. So if you're watching something, it is being ran live. It might not necessarily be on one of my accounts because I have so many running, but I will let you know if it's on a live account or not, or a live trade. Right now, what you're watching is NQ Visual Short. I do not have it on one of my live accounts, but it is running in real time and live. And that's the reason why. And now we switch it over to NQ Visual Long. And we'll watch it take profit as it goes. Santa's on lunch break, so he's not even going to trade. $400 on this NQ Visual Long now, as it finally has broke the range that it's been stuck in all morning long. And did it make a new high yet? No, not quite. But it did break the range that it's been stuck in. Needs to get to 552 to make a new high on the day. So PA or eval? I have both, Doug. I think I answered that already, though. I have PAs, I have evals, I have cash accounts, I have straight to funded accounts. I have Apex, Tradeify, and Take Profit, and a cash account. All of the above. My favorite right now, though, has got to be Tradeify, just by the way they take care of their people. I love their structure. I love the straight to funded with the end of the day drawdown. They fixed everybody's accounts when they had the data disconnect with Tradeivate. So I'm really loving Tradeify right now. Maury, welcome in. John, hello, hello. Big push up here now, finally. All the way up to the high of the day, new high of the day, 21,553, new high of the day. Let's check in on our friends over here on the results tab and see how everything's doing. Mr. H Trades is done. He made his money for the day. We'll give him some love. Mike green is good, so that's good. He ended the day green. No, nobody else posted results though, huh? That's disheartening. right, let's see. It's confusing, or it's your way. First you on short, and now you hit stop loss, and you're showing long. That's because it's two different strategies. So there's a visual short and a visual long. It's on the same chart, just two different tabs on the chart. So it's the same algorithm. It's called visual, but there's a strategy for the long and then there's a strategy for the short. And I run them both at the same time on different accounts just so I can show you. And it does, one only buys longs and one only buys shorts. So no, I do not think the 90% is available anymore. I think it's over. I need to probably change my my screen, my background screen. I think it was just like a Cyber Monday or Black Friday sale they did, and now it's over with. But what am I trading? The NASDAQ or NQ on the futures market? And it is lunchtime. It is 12:15, so that could have just been some of the big boys trying to get some money real quick before they go eat. You never know. But I hope that makes sense about why you saw one go long and one go short. It's because it's two different strategies on the same algorithm, and that's how it's set up. One's going long, one goes short. I will change. I guess I'll have to change my background now and see what it is. If it's only 50% off, I'll have to put that on my page. Yeah, I need to do that. I need to make a video sometime. I don't know when I'm going to have time to do it, but I need to break down how to set this up because people are freaking out and having no clue what they're doing when they buy Replicanto right now. Thank you guys for tuning in, though. Thank you for being here. Probably going to get off here soon as the market is just continuing. It did have a nice little push up here. I mean, this is a $725 trade, $745, $750. So we'll see how far it wants to run up. But yeah, I got some Zoom calls that I got to do here shortly. A full afternoon of nothing but Zooms, so not even going to probably get to eat unless one of them ends early and I get a break. But so much to do, so little time to do it. NQ Later is now in a trade, it looks like. So good luck to those who are in NQ Later. It's probably in a long. Let's take a look. Yes, it is in a long. So be careful to those of my BoldBot family members who are listening and are live. If you're still running NQ Later, it is at a high of the day, so take profit where you can, I guess. Be safe, but Leo Gomez, thank you for being here. Hopefully it just continues to push up. We shall see. But I'll be back tomorrow, 10:30 to 12:30 Eastern Time. I'm going to get off here now so I can get ready for my Zooms and use the bathroom and all that fun stuff, and then think about life in general. No, I'm just joking. All right, let's end the poll. I forgot to end the poll. 62% think that the market will close above 21,550. On TikTok, I don't know what happened, but the poll went away. All right, so until tomorrow, guys, stay safe. Tell somebody you love them. Be kind to one another. And I will see you mañana. Peace out.